Feeling today?
Pretty excited.
It's a big day. It's a big reveal.
Been a long week waiting for this day to come. Yeah, so we'll see. I got some concerns about using the Thule crossbars and whether or not I need a real roof rack, but you won't know until you give it a try. And
so what's your backup plan?
don't know. No backup plan. I don't know. I think for sure we'll be able to mount it and at least get it back here, but not sure if it will clear the tailgate and the little spoiler that's on the back of the tailgate, or if it's going to be really secure enough on the side. So we're just going to go and check it out. There's a warehouse in just out next to O'Hare Airport where they've got a little inventory of these tents, and we're going to call the warehouse and give them a heads up that we're on our way, and hopefully they're going to be open and help us put this thing on. Okay. All right, thanks. See you soon. Bye.
What's the word?
All right, they're ready. Let's go get it. That's it right there.
Sure is. So, how you feeling so far?
Pretty relieved, actually. Everything looks pretty good right now, fitting well. As you can see, I still got clearance to open up the tailgate all the way. It doesn't hit the spoiler. And it doesn't look like it's too far forward, but I think these crossbars will work, so that's good. Don't have to do more research and spend more money on a different roof rack system. So.
And you said that it was recommended you get the wind deflector, right?
Yep. And talking to some people and on the forums, the wind deflector is an accessory that iKamper also sells, and it'll install on the front and prevent the iKamper from wanting to fold like a mattress on top of the car. So.
You mean you don't want to be that guy going down the highway that has his arm hanging out the window, like holding it on?
Oh, yeah. We don't want to be in that situation. But I think it looks good. Pretty happy with the dark gray. It's a good, nice dark color. I was debating between the black and the dark gray, and these are newer tents, and I haven't been able to see them in person yet. So kind of buying a little bit blind, and you can only tell so much from all the online pictures. So pretty happy with the way the dark gray turned out. And it looks pretty sharp, and it looks like it's in mint condition. I can't tell that there's any imperfections, at least on the outside. And once we're done screwing the bolts on here, we'll pull it out and fold the tent out and give a good look inside.
You want to get up on, raise it up all the way. Make sure you grab this. Yeah, this string. This is what you bring it down with.
Yep. I've seen that. All right.
And then here is the ladder. Here's the ladder.
Yeah. Pull this out.
Yep. There you go.
Velcro.
These are also Velcro right here.
Yeah.
Let's go in. You might never come out.
We did it.
How's it looking there?
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a ton of room. It's got a nice, fresh, new smell. We'll definitely need to let it air out a little bit, but it's, yeah, dude, it's nice. I can definitely see 4 people in here.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Mattress isn't that bad.
No.
I mean, we'll see what a whole night's sleep is like, but
So the $800 you spent on the extra mattresses might not be needed, huh?
yeah.
Looks like
You want-
kept the receipt for that.
You want to buy it?
Whoa! It's so fast! Dad, why is it not open? Wow! You did it!
Yeah, we got it.
You made it! It looks like it fits okay. I mean, I think I'm not like.
We can go in there.
Oh boy.
Can I go into it now?
Yeah, we'll pop it open.
Oh wow, it's that easy? Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my, crazy. It's crazy. Stella, what is this? Wow.
For you to
Actually do it?
make a video and show everybody else how it's done.
It's gonna be payback for Rob when he, all those Canada videos where he's
That's right.
making everybody look like a goof. Oh my goodness. It's big. It's really big. Wow. Oh my gosh, of course we can all fit in there. What do you think? Do you want to go in that?
Yeah. Daddy, can I go in there now?
Do you want to go camping in that?
Dad.
Go slow.
Oh boy, Jonah still got in the first time.
I cannot believe it.
What do you think?
Yeah.
You like it?
This could be in here.
You ready to go out to the mountains and camp in that thing?
Ow! Stop it. I'm out. I cannot believe this.
Oh, looks like you're going to sleep already.
Wave to me. Wave to me. Yes, yes. It's so fun.
have this for our rooftop tent. And you can hold sunglasses, shoes, anything you want in there. Inside the rooftop tent, there is the ladder. So the inside, it can fit 4 people again. You can open up these windows, like get some fresh air, and stand up like this. Just like you can unwrap, like you can unzip this, and you can just stay outside. That's the rooftop tent. We were sleeping here last night for the first time. It was comfy. My mom and dad slept down here, up here. Well, yeah, my sister did too. Like our bed, it felt like I slept really good because it's just like I woke up a few times and now I'm just like, okay, I'm going back to bed again. Here's the pocket. This is something new. The pocket is like you can put water cups, stuff in there. This is for like if you're worried the thing might collapse, so you can like undo this and it might just hold the thing up so it doesn't.
It goes on those little
collapse.
posts right there.
It goes on these things, I think.
Yep.
So that's where that thing goes. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.
Check it.